Hey guys, it's RebeccaLynOberstadt. In today's video, we are back on Deimos. We are working on the quest for the heart mission. I am working with Father now, and this necromech that you see here. This part of the video was actually the very end of the other video that you would see probably a day or three before this one. I don't know when this will go up. This is technically part 4. When I edited the last one, I accidentally said that was part 4. That was part 3. This is part 4. Part 5, I've already cut at the end of this video, so I will be editing that next. I do have a few spots here that are sped up ×2, so you're not just kind of sitting around watching me, like, kill shit. Just to get you started before, you know, of course, Father's talking, but this was all part of, like, the last video where you would have actually heard what he said, which is why I don't mind talking over him right now. There is a lot of stuff to figure out with this machine, and I had kind of a difficult time with it. It's rather unmaneuverable, so I had a hard time trying to get it to work for me and whatnot. So I'm going to let them talk for just a second, and I'll be right back.
Get a feel for it. Time for training exercises. Well, we've got to prepare. Tenno, get down there. You're just going to have to learn as you go.
Alright, so now that you know a little bit about what's going on, this is the necromech. This is the one that I guess Father built that was offline, that isn't like an enemy. And I do have my cat with me, my pet, that like picks up like stuff. Probably not the best thing to have out here because they can fall and get hurt, and you know, things can eat them. But I'm just trying to figure out how this thing works. There's like no melee features for this really at all. It's mainly you just kind of shoot and shoot and shoot. So I'm like shooting the hell out of everything. As of right now, I'm not really going to take much damage because I'm not in the area in which that you need to be to proceed with the quest line. So you can see there's a little yellow hexagon on my screen that tells me where I'm supposed to go, and I'm kind of heading that direction, but I'm also kind of like blowing shit up on my way, and I'm trying to, you know, pick up loot and whatever on my way there. Just trying to figure out how this thing works, why it does the things that it does. There are different things that you're supposed to be able to do. If you look, there's 4 symbols on the right hand side of the bottom of the screen where you can do different things. You're supposed to be able to like double spacebar, and then it like maintains your altitude in the air for so long. But I wasn't able to I was only able to do it a few times, and I didn't do it very well. It's supposed to be kind of like a slow glide, more or less. And I honestly could not tell you what I had done wrong. I used it a few times, but it didn't seem like I was doing it right, because it said that you should be able to like fly basically, and I'm like, why am this isn't working very well. So somebody's gonna come on here in just a second and talk with you, and I will be right back after they're done.
Rerouting power to... Yes! Secondary systems are back up.
Alright, so now you get to see a little bit more info and what's going on over here with, we're getting a little bit closer, and I'm starting to head more direct towards the objective. Sorry, my voice is cutting out. I am not feeling the greatest today. editing this on June 1st. As of this past weekend, I got everything scheduled for not one, but both YouTube channels all the way up until July, minus like 6 makeup type videos. So I'm ahead of the game right now. I'm trying to maintain that because I don't know how much time I'm going to have. So anyways, somebody's going to talk here for just a second. I will be right back.
The caves won't be exactly clear, but it should help. I've dispersed some specimens to keep the infested out of the way.
Oh, so it's okay if you do.
Eat holler pellets, you...
Take it easy. I've summoned some velocipods too.
So we're about 200 meters or so away from where I need to be. I'm slowly working my way there.
I've managed to bring additional systems online.
Kind of clunky. It is kind of hard to maneuver. The jump on this thing is not as good as I thought it would be. Thankfully, I'm not really taking any damage from these creatures because I'm not in the area where the objective is. So I hate those little purple fucks, man. They always like piss me off. Look at how many of them there are. Holy... Okay, so I need to like just kind of ignore them and just keep right on going because they're just gonna keep getting in my way. Those little purple things, they like seriously hurt and they're a pain in the ass to try and kill. And they do like this weird electrical damage that damages you pretty good.
When you get to the heart, you'll have to patch the damage and then we'll restart the system. It's a lot, but we're counting on you.
Alright, so Mom just came on and talked to me and said that, you know, I have to go repair the heart. And as I use this necromech and I get closer, I am unlocking like more abilities for it. I can't wait to get into that siege tank mode that they have and become like Sergeant Hammer.
She's waking up. You should have additional functionality.
Well, we're almost there. As I unlock more abilities and stuff, I can do a little bit more. And as you can see, some of them are still kind of gray looking, whereas the other ones kind of have more like a blackish background. That's just showing you what is unlocked and what isn't unlocked. And I'm just kind of like bypassing some of this shit that's attacking me because I want to get in there and get this done. This fight that I'm fixing to do was... You know, it took me a minute for one to figure out how to repair the heart and how I needed to do it and that kind of thing. But then when you actually get in there, you have to like sort of defend it. And that was the part, had the game not like, had I not found what, oh, Kitty's dead. Kitty, Kitty. Where's Kitty? Kitty died and I don't know where she is. I guess I didn't even notice my kitty had died. I could have gone and revived her and didn't even realize it. So, that's okay. Alright, now we're getting really close to where the heart is, and Dad's, or Mom, or whatever, everybody's gonna talk here in just a second, so I'm gonna go ahead and shut up.
That's it! All systems active. She's fully operational. Go get them. Where the hell is that necromech?
Papa, the spores. Son, you're on repairs.
No one listens to me.
Tenno, can't have this area contaminated. Clear out those infected and destroy their spore clusters before we seal the chamber.
Well, now I just get to blow the hell out of everything in this room before I guess I get to repair the heart. What the hell is shooting at me? Oh, okay. Never mind, I guess I got it. Damage, I said. And if you look, I am taking damage. My shield is at like 0 right now, so they are doing damage to me. I think that resets when the repairs and stuff begin. But I'm honestly not quite sure. Look at all the loot laying around. And I'm kind of glad that it's there because I do end up using it as I'm like fighting here in just a minute. I'm just trying to blow up the last of the infested so that they can lock the room down, and then I get to repair the heart. So somebody's going to talk in just a second. I will be right back.
Spore clusters clear.
I reek snake with an old Omni tool. Ready?
Now that we have the tool, you use this like you would the, you know, the cutter tools or the ore mining tools, and you have to be like at a just the right angle, and it tells you like how far you've like, if you look, there's like a bar that I'm working on, and I'm just trying my best to like figure out how to do this. You have to be up high enough, and I don't know how to like fly on this thing in order to get it to work right. So I'm just doing the best that I can. I am not the best at this, and there's another one way up on the ceiling, and I don't know how the hell I'm supposed to get up there and get that one. No, the other, well, I think there's one there too, yeah. But basically you have to fill those circles in, and you're using it just like you would like your cutter tool, or like, look at how hard that is. Like, I'm not even touching it down here, so I have to like figure out a way to like fly or jump or something in order to get to it. Like, it's like I tell Jason when we're gaming, white girls can't jump. So yeah, this is a struggle of life right here, man. Just trying to. I think did I get it? No. Let me try.
That should hold.
Woo! Got it.
What do you think, Mother?
Seal the chamber. Initiating restart sequence. By look, we pass through and beyond. Chamber sealed. That's it for your ride. No one-way trip with poor Snake. I'll cut the reroute as soon as the heart's beating. You'll be back to your old self again. Restart in 3, 2, 1.
You sure you've got the correct derivatives?
Again. 3, 2, 1.
Perfect. Just perfect.
It doesn't make sense. Something must be interfering. I checked the equations. Well, check them again. Don't yell at me. Again. There it is. Tenno, you've got to destroy this thing, or we're back where we started. Ow! You have no idea how jealous I am right now.
Okay, now we are fighting Big Ugly down there who wants to take out the heart. I can tell you from doing this, this was difficult. I had all sorts of issues with this, with trying to, number one, stay alive long enough to do some sort of damage to this thing. It was like kicking my butt. It really was kicking my butt, and I have absolutely no problem admitting when something is hard. But if you look, you can see my blue is the shield, the gold is my health, and I have no shield, and I really, instead of attacking it, I really ought to just be running and not trying to pound the hell out of it. But, you know, I'm not the smartest cookie in the cookie jar, and I tell you what, I certainly am not the sharpest crayon in the coloring box either sometimes, because now I've got a blip off my life, and it's gonna, of course, come through the window, and yeah, you know, because I didn't stop moving. Or, I mean, I stopped moving long enough for it to find where the hell I was. So here I'm going, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, trying to run to get my shields and stuff back. And finally they recovered, but I do not get my health back. But you'll find I use kind of an exploit here because it gets kind of stuck. Look, see, it's stuck right there, and I just kind of stand there on it and just pound the absolute piss out. Oh, that's its health. I only have 256 health left. That's its health and shield that are going up. My bad. Holy I just realized that. So I have like full shield, almost no health, and it's almost dead. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Woo! Got it. Got it. Got it.
Fucking die.
Right. Oh. Oh, Snake.
You gave her a good send-off. You have my thanks. Oh, Snake. I'm gonna miss you. But you've earned your rest, alright? Rerouting you.
Yes. A rest.
Snake? Snake!
Well, that is the end of part 4, where we went in and we repaired and defended the heart. Let me know what you guys think down below. I did shorten this a little bit, so it was a little over 20 something minutes long, but I got it down under 20 minutes by speeding up some of the parts. So let me know your thoughts down below, because you know, I thought this was interesting. I liked the playthrough of it. I liked the story aspect and the family and things like that. This is the end of part 4. Part 5 will be up. I'll be working on that next. You see that I've got a new lovely little yellow hexagon on my screen to tell me where to go. So anyways, I'm RebeccaOberstadt. This is Warframe and the unlocking the Deimos necrolist and all that lovely fun stuff. And why are you looking at a wall? Hello? Anyways, I will see you guys later. Have a fantastic day or night wherever you are. Bye.